Hello, everybody. This is Teacher Barry. I don't think we expected to be doing classes like this, but we'll do our best, okay? Now, today we're going to do the class just by PowerPoint. But after today, I think we're going to be doing our classes on Zoom. That way you can talk to me, I can talk to you, and I think it'll be more fun like that, okay? Okay, guys. The first thing I want you to do is get out your notebook. I know some of you have beautiful notebooks. I've been looking at your notebooks all year. Some of you have fantastic notebooks. You write so good and you write everything down so you can study. I want you to get your notebook out. And at the top, I want you to write The Little Mermaid. Do we write that in big letters or do we write that in small letters? The Little Mermaid. What do you think? Big letters or small letters? That's right. We write it in big letters, okay? After you do that, under it, write, "This story is written by Hans Christian Andersen." You remember him? Yeah. He writes lots of stories for children, over 100 stories. So write that in your notebook for me, okay? Good. Now, who can tell me what country Hans Christian Andersen comes from? Did you say Korea? No, it's not Korea. Did you say India? No, he doesn't come from India. He comes from a very cold country. Do you know what it is? Do you know what cold country in Europe that Hans Christian Andersen comes from? Do you know? That's right. He comes from Norway. Norway's a very cold country. It's up there by Sweden and Finland. Really, really cold in the winter. Not too hot in the summer. It's not like Thailand, that's for sure. Yes, Hans Christian Andersen is from the country of Denmark. I've heard people say Norway because I think he moved from Norway to Denmark, Denmark to Norway. But we're going to say he is from Denmark today, okay? Hans Christian Andersen is from the country of Denmark. Now we're going to talk a little bit about years. Do you remember how to say years? You remember how to read them and say them? We talked about this in classroom last time. So this story, The Little Mermaid, was written in the year 1836. That's a long time ago. 1836. That's a very long time ago. Okay, let's have a little test, okay? Let's see who's being smart today. How do you say these years? Look at the first one there. How do you say that? Did you say 1836? Or did you say 1836? That's right. 1836. That's how you say that. Look at the next one. How do you say that year? That's a funny looking year. Did you say 202 and 0? Did you say 2020? Or did you say 2020? I bet you said 2020 because you're all very, very smart kids. And let's look at this last one. Look at that. Something very important happened in that year. How do you say that year? That's right. 1492. You know what happened that year? In 1492, a guy named Christopher Columbus got in a boat and he sailed from Spain and he was trying to go to India, but he found America. Yeah, that was a very important year. We say in school when I was a kid, we used to say, in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. That's how we remembered that date. Very good. Now you know how to say all the years. Very, very good. Yes, we say like this. 1836, 2020, 1492. Very good. Now, the next thing we're going to write in our notebooks is the moral of the story, The Little Mermaid. Remember, all of these fairy tales, they try to teach us a lesson. They try to teach us to learn something. And the moral of The Little Mermaid is never give up or you will not get your dreams. That's a good moral. That's a good lesson. Never give up or you will not get your dreams. Write that in your notebook. Try to remember that. All your life, try to remember that. Never give up or you will not get your dreams. Now this one right here, you don't really have to write this down if you don't want to, but I think it's a good idea. It'll help you to remember it. Now, every story has characters in it. If we didn't have characters, we couldn't have a story, could we? The story has to be about somebody. And in this story, there are 4 sets of characters. The name of this story is The Little Mermaid. So who do you think is the most important person in this whole story? That's right. It's got to be the Little Mermaid, doesn't it? She's the one the story is about. If you look at the top of this page, you see her there. She's smiling. She looked very cute. And then the second is the Mermaid Sisters. Do you know how many mermaid sisters there are in this story? Do you know? We'll find out. And the next character is the prince. In every story, it seems like there is a prince, huh? There's always a handsome prince, it seems like. And the last one is the merwitch. I never heard that word before until now. The merwitch. I'm not sure what a merwitch is. Maybe you can tell me what is a merwitch. Now let's see, we got the Little Mermaid, the Mermaid Sisters, the Prince, and the Merwitch. Who do you think the good person in this story is? The Little Mermaid? Yeah. Now, who do you think is the bad person in this story? Teacher Barry? Teacher Barry's not in this story. Who's the bad person in this story? That's right. I think it's going to be the Merwitch. I think she's going to be the bad person. We'll find out. Okay. Now the last thing we're going to write in our notebooks today is the story vocabulary, the vocab. Remember, we have to learn the vocab, or maybe we don't understand the story. I think many of these words are easy today. Let's look at the first one. The first vocab word is human. And a human, it's a person. Is Teacher Barry a person? Is Teacher Barry a human? Wait a minute. I heard somebody say Teacher Barry's a monkey. Who said that? Oh, all of you said that. Okay. A human is a person. And the next vocabulary word we want to write in our notebook. Remember, keep that notebook looking clean. Keep it looking neat. The next word is mind. And you can think of mind as our brain. Everybody has a brain. Everybody has a mind. That's an easy one. That's how we can remember things, as we keep them in our mind. The next word, speech. Speech. And that is when we speak. When we speak to someone, that is speech. I am using speech right now. I'm talking to all of you. And the fourth vocabulary word, we have 6 vocabulary words. The fourth vocabulary word is follow. And that is to move behind someone and go the same way. Every day I see you guys go to lunch and you will follow somebody in front of you and you get in line and you get your food and then you follow them back to the classroom and eat. That is follow. And the next vocabulary word is potion. Potion. A potion is a magic drink. Many fairy tales have potions. Some potions make you sleep. Some potions make you wake up. There are many different kinds of magic potions in fairy tales, aren't there? And the last vocabulary word is remember. Remember. And that is to keep something in your mind. Remember we did the word mind. That was our second vocabulary word. To keep something in your brain, in your mind. That means remember. Did you write all of the vocabulary words in your notebook? I hope so. I'm going to check your notebooks. I always check your notebooks, don't I? So write it in there and keep your notebook looking beautiful, okay? Some of you got the most fantastic notebooks. Good work. Okay, guys, you can put your notebook up now. We're finished with the notebook. Please open your big book, your big green book. Open it to page 70, monkey 9. Oh, I mean page 79. Look at the photos and read the vocabulary words. The photos are at the top of page 79. Look, you got the picture of the human, and next to that you have the picture of the mind, and next to that you have a picture of a girl, and the sign says hello. That is speech. And then you have the cute picture of the mama duck and the baby ducks. And the baby ducks, they follow the mommy duck. And look at that bottle. Inside that bottle is a potion. It's green. I would not drink that. Would you drink that? You would? Oh my God. You don't know what that potion will do to you. And the last vocabulary word is remember. Remember. Look at the pictures. Everybody look at the pictures again. Remember those words, all right? Good. Okay, here's what we're going to do. You see at the bottom of that page, 79, it has some green boxes there. Yes? Now, what I want you to do is you're going to read what they have written, and then you find the vocabulary word that goes along with it. I will do the first one with you, okay? It says, the expression of thoughts in spoken words, in conversation, spoken words. What vocabulary word do you think goes there? Potion? Who said potion? No, it's not potion. Who said human? No, it's not human. Who said follow? Did you write follow? No, it's not follow. Who said speech? You did? Very good. It's speech. Write the word speech in the green box. Okay? Now, there's 5 more. See if you can do them, okay? Try to do them all by yourself, but if you need help, maybe your mommy can help you, or your daddy can help you, or your big sister or big brother. But don't let them tell you the answer. Just let them help you, okay? Good. And when you finish that, go to the last picture, the one after this one, okay? And I'm going to talk to you a little bit. All right, guys? Okay. We've finished our first online class. Now, after today, I think we'll be doing our classes on Zoom. They'll be more fun like that because we can talk to each other. We can laugh. In our next class, we're going to watch a cartoon. What cartoon do you think we're going to watch? Yep, The Little Mermaid. We're going to watch The Little Mermaid, okay? And I don't know too much about The Little Mermaid, so this should be interesting for me. Okay, guys, I miss you so much. I wish I could see you in class. You guys always make me laugh. But I will be seeing you soon. Have a good day. Work hard, okay? Bye-bye.